Okay, so for, I don't know, maybe a few days, I'm probably gonna be a pain with flowers. But that's just because look at these beauties. I just grabbed this yesterday from my garden. Some of them yesterday, some of them the day before. However, I'm very, very happy with my narcissus blooms this year. Not so happy with the tulips because the tulips have very short stems. Some of them I can't even take them and use them as bouquet flowers. So I'm just gonna leave them in the garden for the bees and the birds to enjoy. Because I've also started to see lots of butterflies and bees in my garden. So I'm really happy with that. So, a new species this year, Mount Hood. Love, love, love this one. I mean, look at it. It's just gorgeous. It starts yellowish, so it starts like this. The first time I got it, it's got this very big, I'm going to call it trumpet. I don't know if it's a trumpet or not. I have it also here. So when they're freshly picked from the garden, they're actually this color. And as days go by, they become lighter, like buttery color, and then they turn to total white. So this one is Mount Hood. I really, really loved it. Now, once it gets to this white, it's not gonna change colors anymore, and you can actually see this one is almost spent. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna toss this one away. Um, they're very beautiful. They lasted me almost 8 days, so that's a pretty good vase life. Then I also have carnations finally. I've got the pink one and the red one. However, the red ones are not ready yet, so I'm just gonna leave them alone. Then I'm not sure which one this one is. I don't know if it's Acropolis, because if it's Acropolis, for some reason I have a few that have bloomed way before they were supposed to. However, they're fine. The thing is, the scent is not as strong as it was as it was the year before. So I'm still waiting to see, maybe these early bloomers are just, you know, wrong. Then I've got Albert Einstein, if I'm not mistaken. I got these ones last year and they rebloomed this year. I'm very happy with them. Peach cobbler, just gorgeous. When you first pick them, they're this orangey cup, and then as you let time go by, they just become pinker and pinker until they become a pale pink, like this one. Really, really beautiful. Very happy with them. They do not have much of a scent, but they look gorgeous. And then geranium. I've had a lot of them 2 weeks ago, and now I only have one left because their time is over. They were the first narcissus or the first daffodils to bloom in my garden, and they smelled wonderful. There were these very thin stems full of 3, 2, even 4 blooms on each stem. Beautiful. They were so beautiful in combination with the Albert Einstein. I'll probably add a slow mo video so you guys can see them. But I was really, really happy with them. And now here, I think this one is Acropolis. I'm not sure right now. And I'm still waiting for one that I got for the first time this year called Albus Plenus Odoratus. I'll talk about it later on. For now, I'm very happy that now I'm starting to have peach cobblers everywhere. Mount Hoods are almost over, but look at this. They were so, so beautiful. I was so happy with them. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna talk to you guys about in this video. It's not about drawing, but you know, I've got many loves in my life, and one of them is gardening. And I'm very happy. I was very happy and very proud of these daffodils. So, yeah, I hope you guys don't mind it. I'll see you guys next. Bye.